Why is it that daughter avoidance is so strong in some areas and not so strong in other areas?
It's to me a puzzle that is, that is difficult to explain, because I think patriarchy is common across cultures within India and much of South Asia, and it is patriarchy ultimately which is leading to the adverse sex ratio. So I think that we need to understand a whole range of factors. For instance, some states have shown that with wealth and with technology, actually their sex ratios have declined sharply. So I think there is a cultural longing combined with a number of other factors which result in this final outcome.
Isn't it ironic that science is being used to promote such outdated ideas of family?
Science has always been value neutral. That's why you have the atom bomb. It's value neutral. I mean, who makes the connections between the outcomes of scientific research and its social impact? So, I mean, that is there. That's a problem. The point is that what we see here is the fusing of the market and science and technology. There is a demand. The demand is growed, almost systematically. Doctors actually at one point of time take ultrasound tests, their technology to the field, so they actually take the service. They don't do it for medical services, for health services. They take it to the field. Why? Because there's a demand and they get money out of it.
How exactly does public policy and policymakers reinforce these traditional notions of perfect families?
See, there are two streams. There is this politically correct ideas which have got a propulsion of their own, and because they are supported by academically very high profile people, the policy makers feel that they must also follow those, and then on the basis of those they create what they deem to be politically correct policies. Ladli Yojana is one such, in which you take care to see that the girl's father is given X amount of money when the girl comes of age so that she can be put through school and college. But the fact is that it is so riddled with bureaucratic red tape. The father has to build so many certificates that it's been a non-starter.